Yes, hello friends and investors. Welcome once again to the City of Smiles, Bacolod City, and this is the Greta unit. So sa mga garbusa dehans. Kaya sa mga gusto og dako-dako ilang balay mao niya ang perfect para sa inyuha. So this is default na anon siya balkone sa taas dito magkapi-kapi sayo sa kabuntagon, nagtan-aw sa pagsidlak sa adlaw. Sumusod ata sa unit guys, atong tan-awon og pila gyud ni ka pila gyud price ani. Kung kaya ra ba ni sa bulsa ni buyer. So mo na siya ang living area upon entering the unit, and then we have the table. We have the dining area here. Of course, this is a dress-up unit, guys. So the units delivered upon turnover are finished units. So naka-tile siya, fully painted, and ayun lang with the furnishings and furniture. So it's up to the client's decision and preference. Kamo na mamili, but again, dress up ni siya. So that you can better appreciate the units, guys. Kung saan niyo pag-improve siya by the time nga inyo na siyang mapalit. So this is the bar counter here. Nice, cool, kay naka-diagonal. It's not really common for this kind of layout. And of course, the kitchen is there. I like the layout of this house. So we have, the good thing about this, if you have seniors in your family, mga senior citizens or persons with disabilities, this is actually very perfect. So dapat yung very perfect ha. Perfect ni sa inyo ha. Kaya na bedroom diri sa ubos. So this is the bedroom here on the ground, and there's another bedroom here. Pwede ni sa inyong mga anak or imo ninyong study area or for as a servant's quarter. Then we have the toilet and bath here. And now let's proceed to the second floor, but before that, can utilize this portion as a storage area or something like that. So again, that's the kitchen counter, and karon mo na sa second floor. So dako good niya siya nga unit, guys. So the lot area is more or less 143 square meters. So that's I love you, and I hope you love me too by buying this unit. And floor area is more or less 166 square meters. So we have the first bedroom here. We have another bedroom. And we have a common toilet and bath on the second floor. And now let's proceed to the master's bedroom. I know you're excited to see this. So of course, this is the master's bedroom. So dako yun siya. And this area here, pwede ka makatanaw-tanaw dito sa tubangan. Anya, since this is the master's bedroom, we have the walk-in closet here. Naka-design the walk-in closet, oh. And then this is the master's toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. So dako yun siya. Goods yun kung kanang ang inyong pamilya bitaw, you have your parents with you, and you're married na, you have your spouse, you have isang buong pamilya dito sa isang malaking bahay mula kay Camellia, guys. So now let's go back to the ground floor, and again, this is the living area, and we have the dining area here. So if you want to reserve this unit, please send me an email through buholanbroker@gmail.com. This is Amon Ray Clavano Locari, real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Once again, welcome to the City of Smiles, Bacolod City.